If you're seeing a Squarespace asset library error, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to diagnose the issue, avoid making it worse, and get back to uploading your files safely. This is especially helpful if your images, videos, or media blocks suddenly stop loading, saving, or uploading in Squarespace. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe because these quick tutorials can save you a ton of time when your website is acting up. First, open a new browser tab and go to the official Squarespace status page. This is the best place to check whether the problem is happening on your side or if Squarespace is currently dealing with a platform-wide issue. Once the status page loads, look for the metrics related to asset set uploads and storage. If you see a message like service disruption or investigating errors in media assets, that usually means the backend infrastructure is overloaded or experiencing an outage. At that point, the smartest move is not to keep refreshing and definitely not to keep re-uploading the same files over and over. Repeating the upload can sometimes make troubleshooting more confusing and may not fix anything until the service is restored. Instead, pause and wait for their engineering team to deploy a patch and stabilize the system. While you're waiting, there are a couple of safe things you can try. The first is to open Squarespace in an incognito or private browsing tab. This helps rule out browser extensions, stored sessions, or temporary browser issues that may be interfering with the asset library. If it works in incognito, that's a strong sign the issue is local to your regular browser session. Next, clear cache cookies and site data for Squarespace. Old cookies or corrupted cache files can sometimes cause upload errors, save issues, or loading problems inside the asset manager. After clearing them, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back in to test again. If the status page shows everything is healthy and the issue is still happening, the next thing to check is your file format. Squarespace only works reliably with supported formats, so make sure your image files are JPG, PNG, GF, or WebP, and your video files are MP4. If you're trying to upload a different format, the asset library may reject it or fail without giving you a clear explanation. It's also a good idea to check file size and make sure the upload is not corrupted. If possible, test with a smaller file that you know is valid. That can help you quickly figure out whether the problem is with the file itself or with the Squarespace account or browser session. So to recap, the safest process is check the Squarespace status page, review asset uploads and storage, wait if there's a service disruption, try an incognito tab, clear cached cookies, and confirm that your media is in a supported format. If this helped you solve the problem, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.